Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Chabo Mloisane is set to sign for Kaizer Chiefs on a 3-year deal as a free agent. Wandile Duba is also set to sign a new contract. We're going to talk about that. Smash a like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that. Let's start with Chabo Mloisane, who's set to sign a 3-year deal. Former Stellenbosch left-footed centre back. I think this is a great signing. I rate him very highly. I think he's been up there with the best centre backs in the league since he joined Stellenbosch. He's been at Bafana a couple of times, 27 years old. He's the right profile. Great timing, wins his aerial duels, also good with his feet, So I think this is a good signing, and I'm hearing some people saying this is an unnecessary signing. We are just signing this player because he's a free agent. We've got Aiden McCarthy and Rushin Tootl in that position, and I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, real talk, what are you talking about? What are you actually talking about? Do you think Sundowns care who they have in that position when there's a good player in the market? Do you think Orlando Pirates gives a shit about who they have in that position when there's a player available on the market? Pirates signed Siema. They had Mbogazi, they had Sibisi, they had Sesane, they had Nda, they had Chapelo Toki. Look how that turned up. So I'm at a point where I don't care who we have in that position. If there's a good player available on the market, go and sign that player. Whoever has to hold the bench will hold the bench. Let's let the coach decide. Just sign the player, and the coach will decide who deserves to play. Pirates signed a police, and then they managed to make it work. We all thought he was not going to play at the same time with Relebule Mfukeng because they are both naturally left wingers, but Uwadu managed to find a way. So don't tell me we've got enough players in that position. So I don't care about all that. Sign the player, the coach will decide. So yeah, this is a good signing for Kaizer Chiefs. First signing of the winter. Let's hope. We are going to maintain this level. We are going to sign players like this. I think Mloisane is going to be a really, really good player for us. Aiden McCarthy is still a young man, very good. Rushin Tootl is returning from a long-term injury over a year out, so we are not sure if he's going to come back as the same player. So this is a very, very good signing. Chabo Mloisane to Kaizer Chiefs, it's a done deal. Now, what about Wandile Duba? He's set to sign a new contract, 2 years deal. Look, Duba is not necessarily one of those players who are eye pleasing, who look fancy on the eye. But bro, I rate this player very highly. He is a mentality monster. This guy doesn't celebrate an equalizer. He's not a prick. He doesn't take off his shirt when he's on a yellow card like Dodi Lilepo. Still, 22 years of age, if I'm not mistaken. But his mentality, he's so matured. Yeah, I think this is definitely a player for the future. I was against him playing wide, but man, he was such he was making a real impact on that position, more impact than Lilepo, more impact than Pule Modi. Up front he can do the job. So this is a player we should definitely keep. He's definitely a player to keep. I'm not sure if maybe we can start him. I'm not really sure on that one as of now. Let's see what happens in the transfer window. Then we can talk about him being a starter. But his mentality is second to none. We need such players in the team. If all our players can have the same mentality as Wandile Duba, would be a much better team, would be a brave team, would be a strong team, a team with character. So yeah, Wandile Duba said to stay at Kaizer Chiefs. Good decision. So Yeah, that's all for the transfer news. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.